Hello everyone, welcome to AGB tutorial. Now just imagine a world without computers or laptops. Well, we can hardly imagine how we will even stay in that world because it happens in such a way that we're dependent in everything. So this video is just about the milestones of the evolution of computer. Now, while talking about the milestones of the evolution of the computer, the word computer is actually derived from the word compute, which means to calculate. But a computer does more than just calculation. A abacus was the ancient calculating machine. It was the first mechanical device used for calculation in the 3000 BC. It had two rows. The top row was called heaven and it had two beats. The bottom row was called earth and it had five beats. Long before the use of Arabic numeral by Asian countries, this machine was used. It was used for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. But as the invention of pencil and paper, the abacus lost its importance, but it is still used today. A man who is a perfect expert at the abacus can calculate two large numbers by the speed of a man using a calculator. But multiplication and division was slower. A man named John Napier made a machine called the Napier's bone on 1617. This calculating device, which is a set of rectangular rods called Napier bone, the rods were made up of carved bones. It was able to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and find square roots. Now let's see one of the most important milestones, the Pascal adding machine. In 1642, Blaise Pascal, a French mathematician who was the 18-year-old son of a tax collector, to help his father with his duties, at the age of 19, he made the Pascal adding machine. It used gears, wheels, and dials. It was capable of addition and subtraction. A perfect example of the Pascal adding machine is the taximeter. In 1671, Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz made the Leibniz calculator, which was the digital mechanical calculator. It is another important milestone in the evolution of computer. This machine was an improved version of the Pascal adding machine. Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz was a German mathematician. The Leibniz calculator, also known as stepped reckoner, the opening mechanism invented by Leibniz called stepped cylinder or Leibniz wheel, was used in many calculating machines for over 200 years. It was able to perform addition and subtraction, multiplication and division, unlike the Pascal adding machine. In 1822, Charles Babbage, who is a famous British mathematician, is given the name father of computing. He found a connection between machines and mathematics. Machines are used to calculate repeatedly without making mistakes, while mathematics is just repeated tables. So in 1822, he made the difference engine. It is an automatic mechanical calculator designed to tabulate polynomial functions. Then, in 1833, he made the analytical engine. There are 5 units in it: input, output, store, mill, and control. Store was used for storing data, mill was used for calculating units, control was used for supervising all the units. For his contribution in the computer, he was given the name Father of Computing, Augusta Ada Lovelace. Augusta Ada Lovelace is given the name of the first programmer. She is an English mathematician and writer, chiefly known for her work on the analytical engine, as she was working with Charles Babbage. She suggested the use of binary data storage 0 and 1 instead of decimal number system. She died at the age of 36. After 30 years, her work's importance was recognized, and the US defense authorities gave a programming language named Ada to the respect of her. George Boole, he is an English mathematician. He made the Boolean logic. It was the fundamental principle for the designing of computer circuits. The fundamental of the Boolean logic was 1 is for positive answers and 0 for negative answers. In 1890, Dr. Herman Hollerith, an American statistician, invented a tabulating machine. His machine used the punch cards. The punch cards were used to record and store data and information. In 1944, Mark I, Howard Aiken, a primary engineer in IBM, made the first automatic sequence control calculator, for short Mark I. John von Neumann. A modern type of computer came into existence with the binary code development. He initiated a practice of storing data and instruction in binary code in computer's memory. He also initiated the use of a memory to store data as well as programs. In 1946, J. Presper Eckert and John Mauchly made ENIAC, which stands for Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. It had 18,000 vacuum tubes. It was 1,000 times faster than Mark I. It weighed about 30 tons. The power consumed by it was 50 kilowatts. It was 100 feet long and 10 feet tall. In 1950, John von Neumann joined hands with J. Presper Eckert and John Mauchly. Together, the three made EDVAC, which stands for Electronic Discrete Variable Automatic Computer. EDVAC's concept of storing programs on punch cards led to the advancement of the modern-day computer that we know today. In 1951, UNIVAC 1, which stands for Universal Automatic Computer 1, was made. Again, J. Presper Eckert and John Mauchly together made the world's first commercial available computer. It was the first computer to handle not only numeric but also text data. It was also the first computer to use buffer memory and come equipped with a magnetic tape unit. Now, in the modern day, we have 4 types of computers, namely microcomputers, mini-computers, mainframe computers, and supercomputers. Microcomputers are smaller in size and are cheaper. The uses are in homes, schools, offices, shops, and banks. Mini-computers, these are big in size than microcomputers and have more processing speed than microcomputers. They can hold up to 4 to 200 users simultaneously. They are used in banks, universities, and big organizations. Mainframe computers. These computers are big in size and have a faster processing speed than mini computers. They are used in large businesses, organizations, scientific laboratories, railway, and airlines. Supercomputers. These are huge in size and have super fast processing speed. They are used in weather forecasting, space research, and satellite control, etc. The fastest supercomputer ever made was made in USA by IBM, and it was called Summit, and it was made in the year 2018. Param is the supercomputer made in India, designed in Pune. Now this was all about the evolution of the computer. Hope you liked the video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit notification bell to stay notified whenever I send a new video. Thank you.